here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really exciting video, you guys. I got my first luxury handbag. I actually got the Gucci Marmont crossbody bag, and I got it for an early wedding anniversary gift. My husband and I will be celebrating 7 years married April 25th and 10 years together July 6th this year. So I'm super excited. I've been wanting this bag forever, so I was like, why not? It's a special occasion, so I had to get it. So I just took it out the dust bag, and here it is. It is the Gucci Marmont crossbody bag. But you guys, I'm absolutely obsessed with this bag. I got it in, I think it was a size small, which is like a perfect size for me. I'm absolutely obsessed. I see a lot of people wearing it like this, a shoulder bag, like this. Or how I would be wearing it the most is a cross-body bag like this. I really like this style, like this. I think it's super cute, you guys. But like I said, I love the design, you guys. The chain is super heavy. I love the back. The heart symbol is my absolute favorite. And how you open it, I like you don't just open it regularly. You have to press the little button to release it. And then I'm gonna show you guys the inside, what I have in it so far. And you guys, what I do have in it, I did buy a wallet to match it off of Amazon. The same, I wanted to match. I'm super excited. It has the same design of the Gucci bag, the same type of design. And then this is actually a card holder with all the cards slots. So I have that in here. But you guys, I'm just super happy with my bag. Super obsessed. I really love the double G's. I love how heavy the chain is. I love that it does come with the leather strap at the top and then the chain right here. I just think this is such a beautiful bag, and I think this is a must-have. This Gucci bag, definitely check out my description box. Everything will be linked below. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.